Again. Okay, relax.
Hello. Good afternoon, madam.
Hi, how are you?
Good, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you, sir. He doesn't want to hurt. He just got a surgery. Let's go. Thank you, sir. I'm so sorry. Apologies. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, ma'am.